What's it deal with?
This particular topic deals with an interface that is used in almost all aspects of storage.
Right.
And what we would teach in that particular class is how to design the physical interface on SCSI-based systems, also how to program or to write device drivers in which the computer companies would use to access the storage devices, how to troubleshoot the systems, how to maintain the systems, basically everything associated with anything that has to do with the small computer system interface.
You know, I think it's important to point out here that you're just looking through the list of the clients that you've done this for. You do this for most of the primary companies in the field. You train the engineers for companies, you know, like Compaq, Apple Computer, Dell, IBM, Hewlett-Packard. The list just goes on and on. There must be at least 150 listed here, and these are all names that if you're in that computer arena, you know them. They're the biggies. They're the Silicon Valley, you know, stars. How does it work? When do they call you in? Who calls you in? What's the process to give engineers, you know, to give engineers at IBM a seminar? That, number one, that must make you feel pretty good. But number two, how does it work?
Well, it's very interesting you ask that question, because sometimes I am surprised myself, or I'm curious about, well, how do I get business? What I do know is this, that 90% of the business that I get is from referrals. Engineers that have taken training classes from me before,
right.
And when people join their organization or they're confronted with a new project, they trust the education that I provided, and then they contact us. What I also do to get to be where, I show up where the engineers are. I'm involved in the standards development process, and it's a peer relationship that I have with most everybody that I train, and in that I'm in the trenches with them. I understand all of the complexities of what they're dealing with. I understand the frustrations they have when they're building these products. And being able to relate with them on a peer basis, I think, is vitally important for them to move forward in their growth and education.
And I guess each seminar might deal with a different aspect of the training. I mean, I've got a stack of textbooks here, and each one of these textbooks that you've written, they're all on. Here's one on comprehensive fiber channel.
Fiber channel, yeah.
Fiber channel. Mm-hmm. Here's another one on in-depth fiber channel switched fabric. Mm-hmm. Sounds like a bestseller to me.
Yep.
In-depth fiber channel arbitrated loop.
Yes.
That might be even better. And finally, in-depth exploration of serial attached SCSI. Mm-hmm. Now, each one of what are these, 500 pages or more?
Yeah, most of them are around 600 pages.
My goodness. There's so much different information that you have to impart. So you might be invited in to do a seminar simply on one of these subjects?
Absolutely. Typically what happens is that, we've gone through many technological changes over the years, of course.
Sure.
As technology advances, new interfaces come out. The SCSI architecture happened to be the very first one that most everybody was interested in.
Right.
And then what happened was, we experienced some physical limitations behind the ability to break a speed barrier. Mm-hmm. And at that point, Fiber Channel was introduced. And Fiber Channel was the next up-and-coming technology. As a matter of fact, in the storage networking architectures that you're going to find in the most data centers today, Fiber Channel is the technology that they use for their storage networking applications. That's now moving into an arena called iSCSI, which uses a standard TCP/IP networks to transport, again, a standard or to service particular applications. Serial attached SCSI is just another extension of SCSI, and this is just an additional or another way of almost achieving the same results, but targeted towards a different market.
This is really fascinating. I don't have any idea what we're talking about. Do you know what I mean? The point is, well, one of the key obviously is what qualifies you to do this. What is your background?
Well, First off, I've been in this industry for over 22 years. In the storage industry itself, I've been doing that for 18 years. What gives me a particular qualification consists of the involvement that I have in the development of the industry standards. So, like I said, I'm on the ground floor. Before the technology comes out, I'm working with the individuals, or the consultants that work with me are working with the engineers that are developing the standards. What that allows us to do is that allows us to go into the corporations that are manufacturing the products and let them know what their products are going to be expected to do before they even hit the market space. That's one of the ways that, or one of the reasons that we feel we're qualified to be able to teach this type of subject matter.
Well, it's a rather fascinating story about a company that, not just a company, but a gentleman here who is so thoroughly knowledgeable about this whole subject. And we're going to explore more about this, and especially I want to get into internet security, computer storage security, and we'll do that when we come back.
We have been watching the operations of an organization which is doing its part to keep America strong, and we've been learning from its leaders about what they're doing to help move our country forward. This organization represents companies across our great nation that embody the spirit, dedication, know-how, and can-do attitude which has made America the great nation it is today. And now let's present the Keeping America Strong Award.
Now it's my honor to present our Keeping America Strong Award to David Deming, the president of Solution Technology, for the outstanding work that he and his company are doing to help keep America strong. David, it's a pleasure to give this to you. Congratulations and best wishes for continued success.
Thank you. It just doesn't take one man to make a company, and I'm accepting this for everyone that's involved in Solution Technology, all the way from my administrators to my consultants. And I also would accept this on behalf of all the geeks of America.
Very well said. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations for earning the Keeping America Strong Award, which honors innovators and leaders like you who are the heartbeat of America.
Our thanks to retired Rear Admiral Kevin Delaney for taking part in the presentation of the Keeping America Strong Award, the award that salutes small to middle-sized organizations who are helping to move America forward.
For more information on this company, you can find it at their website, which is www.soltechnology.com.
That's it for Heartbeat of America's special edition, Keeping America Strong.
Now for a final word from William Shatner.
Well, that's it for this edition of Heartbeat of America. I'm William Shatner. Thanks for watching.